Please pull out the tear tip first, and let the sticky side of the tear tip face upward. Then go around these two wheels outside. Pull it up from here. Go through these wheels. Then go around this wheel. Please take a piece of scotch tape. Put the scotch tape and the tear tape together. Please go through this slit. Then pull it down. Please press and hold this fixture when the tear tape gets here. Then go through this gap. Note the tear tape should be passed through the seam under the white Teflon tube below. Please take an Allen key. Poke it down. Then pull it out. That's done.